Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my first video on my channel. So this is about the Blender interface. Before starting the video, I'm going to tell one thing to you why I started this channel. So why I'm started this channel means uh, pretty much simple. I just want people to learn. Like there are so many people out there who are looking for the videos for Blender, Unity, 3ds Max and all. So I'm going to teach you all. So and yes, I'm a professional 3D developer, game developer. So pretty much do everything like 3D modeling, rendering, game designing, coding and all. So yeah, I know some tricks and tips. So I will share with you and my knowledge. I will share with you my knowledge and I will tell you the ways in the production. So everything I will go smoothly. I think so. So and the videos are available in Telugu and also in English. And Telugu is my mother language, so I am also creating the videos in the Telugu. So yes, stay tuned to my channel. Subscribe my channel and support me and click the bell icon for the notifications. So yeah, without any ado, just start the video. We'll just start the video and now see about this. This today's video is about the Blender's interface. So how it works, what are the elements in the Blender. I will use the simple terminology. I don't want to use like complex things and don't want to confuse you all. So there are a lot of people who will be watching this video who are beginners, so they don't even know a lot of these things. So I'll just keep it simple. Okay, so actually there are a lot of videos and I know you will have a question, why should you see watch my videos. I'll tell you one thing, because I keep it simple. I will always keep it simple and I don't want to waste your time and I also don't have the time to waste for me also. So yes, I will always make it simple. At maximum, if there is a bigger topic, I will take it up to 30, but at minimum I will just only 10-15 minutes I will complete the video. Okay, yes. And why should you watch? And I just told you it will be a shorter video and I will explain everything briefly in short time. And also I will teach you the production ways. Okay, yeah, let's start the video. So Blender, this is the Blender. Open the Blender. I using something 2.8.1, I think so. 2.8, I think. Yeah, 2.8. So 2.8 or 2.9, whatever the Blender version is, everything is same. Everything is same. Every window is same. The functionality is same. Everything you do is same. The way you design is also the same. Okay, so no need to worry if you use another version of a Blender. So yeah, so this is the Blender and this is the interface. In this interface, we have a few things which are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and we have just 5 windows and those are the important, and those are generally we have what we have here. So this is a menu, you can say. In this we have the file, edit, which in the file you can take a new file or you can create a new file, you can create a, you can import, you can take a file which is already exists like that. Okay, and there is a render option and there is a separate window for modeling, sculpting, UV editing, texture paint. So every separate window you can access here. Okay, there is availability. Okay, you can also add some windows, some spaces for working. Like there are a lot of things missing here, like we don't have compositing and some other, and for the 2D animation there we don't have the 2D animation windows here, right? So you can add those things, whatever you want you can add from these things. And also, and in the down to the menu, we have the viewport, 3D workspace. There are a lot of names to this, so yeah, we will call it a 3D workspace. So this workspace, in this workspace will work here. Okay, whatever the editing, texturing, UV unwrapping, you will see here. Okay, this is like a preview. Okay, this is like a preview of what you are creating, right? Every object you take, every object you're taking here in the Blender will be appear here, and these objects, all the objects here like camera, light, cube, sphere, whatever it may be, they will be available here in the outliner. This is the outliner. Okay, this is what we call outliner. In the outliner, we can see all the objects that are present in this 3D workspace. Okay, that are available in this 3D workspace, you can see here. Okay, if there are a lot of objects, you cannot be able to select them particularly, so you can select it from by here. Okay, just name it like this, like, yeah, I can name it and I can easily identify that, right? And after that, below that outliner we have the properties window or properties panel, whatever you call, no problem, whatever properties tab, whatever it may be. And in this properties tab, we will find the properties. We find the modification tools for the specific object you have selected. If I select the cube, I will get a different properties, and if I select the light, I will get some other properties, and if I select camera, I will get some other properties, right? So we'll find a specific properties for specific object you have you have selected. Okay, if I select cube, there will be some properties, and if I select the um, light, there will be some properties. Okay, like light settings, materials for the material editing for the cube. If I select the cube, render setting, output setting, all these things you can find in the properties panel. And in the down to the viewport, we have the timeline. So this timeline, in this timeline, you can create animations. I can say you can create the animations. You can create, you can set keys and animate your character, or maybe you can character your box, whatever it may be. Like, see, I will add an animation. So I, right, and in the 40, see, see, this animation, right? Simple. So these are the keyframes, we can say. So this 1 2 3 10 40, these are the seconds. You can create the animations here. Okay, you can create the animations, you can animate the character using the timeline. Okay, animation timeline, this is the animation timeline. And coming to the viewport, so you now you know what is a timeliner. Sorry, what is the outliner? Outliner is a list of objects which are present here. And properties, properties panel, we can select the options. Again, we can modify with these options. And this is a timeline, you can animate. And this is a viewport. In the viewport, you can see all the objects you have taken and all the objects you are editing, right? And in the top right here, we have the object mode, edit mode. This panel here, you can with this drop down, you can change into the edit mode, sculpt mode, and all. Okay, so which are these things generally. Okay, and also there is a view which you can see, which you can't see, those things. Okay, what are the camera views, viewports, top view. If you want to top view, you can select the top view here, like that. Okay, and the add one here, in this add tab, you can select the objects. Okay, you can take the objects from here, like that. Okay, in the viewport, we have the objects with the options here, and these are the tools. So whatever the mode you are in here, like if you're in the object mode, you can get these options like transform, rotate, and scale. Or if you are in the edit, there will be some more options you will get here, like extend, bevel, like that. So very simple interface, right? So Blender has a very simple interface, and I like that about that. And also there is a pivot changing options and transform orientations. Where should you work, like in the global workspace, local workspace, like that. Okay, you can change it here. And this is a pivot changing options, you can change the pivot. And snapping options, you can snap the pivot, like that. Okay, all these things you can find here. And here we have another tools that is like render preview, material preview, X-ray preview, and all. Okay, shaded preview and wireframe, like that. Okay, all these things you can find here. And these are the tools for movement. Just click on that and you can pan it, and you can move all those things. You can, like, this is a switch to orthographic and perspective, like that. Okay, so all these things you can find in the viewport itself. Okay, and this is a menu bar. In this you can find the modeling. You can change it to the modeling workspace, and you can change it to the sculpting workspace, like that. Okay, so yeah, this is a simple. Okay, this is a very simple and simple user interface. Okay, so Blender has a very simple user interface, and it is, yeah, beginner friendly. Of course, everybody know about that. And there are a lot of things you can do in the Blender, like sculpting, 2D editing, video compositing, VFX work. You can do all those things. Okay, 2D drawing also you can do here, so which is helpful. Of course, if there are any artists out there, they actually they should try the Blender. Okay, so yeah, yes, this is it for this class. I pretty much covered everything, everything basics about the Blender. So in the further classes, we will go a bit further, and we will learn about the settings and how to take an object, how to edit an object. Okay, I already told you I don't want to make it complex, I just want to make it simple, right? So I will just complete the video simply. Okay, just I told about the basics of the interface, and all about the panels, what we can find in those panels. And in the next video, we'll go through the basic editing. Okay. Yes. So this is it for this video. We'll see you in the next video. Keep learning. I'll take a leave.